assembled together with them, he commanded them not to depart from Jerusalem, but to wait for the promise of the Father, which he said, "You have heard from me."
Where's the paradise that you promised me? Said you never leave me alone in this. If time is money, it's counterfeit, cause I can't buy any hope with it. I'm slowly losing my patience like I'm a clinic with no good nurse in it. If you're thirsty me, I'm not rich enough to get textbooks. I can't cope indeed, I'm still under the same tree. I'm talking the pear tree that you left me under. Nobody to save me. I swear I cannot believe that you let me suffer. The devil's here with a tempting offer.
Welcome on board, peeps. Today we have Fufu
and now when they're laughing, the fingers are pointing at me. Blame it on me for believing in fairy tales. They say I'm
and Eru. You can see the color of the flag well represented. This is green, this is red, and this is yellow. So what are we having today? We have some bushmeat. This is actually rapimo, and we have some snails. We have our poet and Qingdao in here, and some Asorted. We have our waterleaf. We have dry fish right in here. Our dry fish. And not forgetting the almighty crayfish. We have some seasoning. And in here, we have our oil. Very essential. So guys, I've introduced our ingredients. Let's get straight to action, okay?
Somebody to lean on, tired of holding my breath. Please give me a reason to breathe on. There's so much love in the air. It all disappears when it goes. I am not sure I can bear this pain in my heart. This missing you syndrome. I am so close to insanity, thinking of you and I'm facing reality. I wish all of this was a dream. When I wake, you would be by my side and you're holding me. You said you ain't going for long, you'll be back in a minute, and now it's eternity. The promise is prophecy, everything certainly killing me slowly and carefully. It's like I am covered in dust, looking around and there's no one to trust. This feeling is leaving my heart in disgust. I just wanna believe, I don't wanna give up, but you're making it hard. Really it's hard, just to be mute when I needed a word. Someone to tell me that I should move on, just a baby assurance the war will be won. You went away. At the moment I needed you most, and you left me alone in the cold. I can never get another to replace you. I cannot even say that I hate you. Look to the mirror and cry to myself, when are you coming, my love? I'm strong now, where come me? Budu abajike, ela mesikiwe. Kiwe kufula checker, me chobena sikibawe. Yanti sebo, I'm on you. Because you promised me you'll never leave me. Me koyanti niwe, ashuli asikewa. Oh la la la, acheva cheche. Me koyanti, akibawe. My fate is sinking deep, I can't hold. Promises you made to me. Through this pain I found myself. Me warrior to home, when you fair, come. One day I go and deep and me like you. I'm so where come. Budu abajike, ela mesikiwe. Kiwe kufula cheche, me chumina sikibawe. Yanti sebo, I'm on you. Because you promised me you'll never leave me. Me koyanti